We have seen the preparation of a statement of profit and loss account. Then we classified the item under major heads and subhead. Okay, so we will continue the same. So next 22. Debentures. Debentures. Tomlin subhead. Debentures subhead.
long-term liability.
Long-term borrowings.
And long-term
Long-term borrowings. Then major head, non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. Okay. Next one, 23. Loose tools, okay. Subsidy reserve. Subsidy reserve. Aparna, subhead.
Sir, reserve and surplus.
Yes, reserves and surplus. Then major head, shareholders fund. Next one. Provision for doubtful debt. Provision for doubtful debt. Provision for sundry debtors. Otherwise, that is also we can current liabilities, major head, short-term provision. Current liabilities, short-term provision. Okay. Otherwise, major head you can write current assets by way of deduction from sundry debtors. Just current assets, otherwise trade receivable. Okay, next one. From center major head, current assets. Next one. Can you change it? Computer software. Computer software. Already we wrote computer software. I can't hear anything. No. No. So computer software. Fixed assets, intangible. Fixed assets, intangible. Then non-current assets. Non-current assets. Computer software, non-current assets. Provision for bad debt, you can write current liability, short-term provision. Okay. Otherwise, current assets by way of deduction from sundry debtor. Next one. (26) Provision for tax. Provision for tax. So, you know, this is short-term provision, short-term provision, same like a provision for doubtful debt, current liabilities. Next. So that only you write current liability, short-term provision, which one provision for doubtful debt also. Next. Good investments, okay, unpaid investment costs in advance, okay. Provision for warranties, provision for warranties, provision for warranties, long-term provision, long-term provision, then non-current liabilities, non-current liabilities. Then interest on, accrued interest on, interest due on calls in arrear, calls in arrear, interest due on calls in arrear, interest due on calls in arrear, interest on calls in advance, calls in advance, other current liability, but interest due on calls in arrear. What do you mean by calls in arrear? Amount unpaid by the shareholder. We called the shareholder to give the allotment money, to give the first call money. They didn't give. So we will charge interest. So we will get the amount. The firm will get the amount. So it is not other current liability, it is other current assets. Other current assets, that is major header current assets. Current assets. Okay. Interest due on calls in advance, other current liability. But interest due on calls in arrear, that is other current assets. Next one, retirement benefit, payable to employees, payable to employees, retirement benefit payable to employees, long-term provision, long-term provision, non-current liabilities. Retirement benefit payable to employees. So you can write a trademark from a patent. Similarly together I am writing. Then patents being developed by the company. No, this we can't write down. Patents being developed. That is another fixed asset, intangible assets under development. Okay, trademark, patent. fixed assets, intangible, fixed assets, intangible subhead, non-current assets. Shubham, like that only question they will ask. Okay, some items they will give, you have to write major head and subhead. So for that, you have to study the items. Already I given now each subhead, what are the items are there that you have to study. Then it will be easy. Trademark, patent. Over. Okay. Next, 31. Calls in arrear. Calls in arrear. Calls in arrear. Calls in arrear, comma, share forfeited account. Share forfeited account. Calls in arrear, then share forfeited account. Subheader, share capital. Okay, but interest on, one thing you look, interest on calls in arrear, other current assets. Other current assets. Okay, here means share capital, shareholders fund. Shareholders fund. Capital work in progress. Capital work in progress. That is come under fixed assets, non-current assets. Non-current assets. Non-current assets. Then work in progress. Work in progress. Capital work in progress, fixed assets. Work in progress, inventories. Inventories, current assets. Okay, inventories, current assets. In this special item, what you don't know, it only I'm writing. Inventories, current assets. So we forgot to write one item, patents being developed by the company. Any intangible assets being developed. Patents being developed by the company. Patents being developed by the company. So that is fixed assets. Fixed assets, intangible, sorry, intangible assets under development. Intangible assets under development. Intangible assets under development. Come under non-current assets. Non-current assets. Okay, patent being developed by the company, non-current assets, fixed assets, intangible assets under development. Next, treasury bill. Treasury bill. It is issued by the central government to raise a fund within a current period is 1 year only, minimum of 25,000. So this is current investment. Current investment, current assets. Current assets. Treasury bill, current assets, current investments. Current assets, current investments. Next one. Term loan from the bank. 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 Long-term borrowings. Long-term borrowings. Non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. Bank overdraft. Bank overdraft. Short-term borrowings. Short-term borrowings. Current liabilities. Current liabilities. Bank overdraft. Licenses and the franchise. Okay, that is fixed assets, intangible. Then non-current assets. Non-current assets. $39. Investment in shares or debentures of the company. Non-current investment. Non-current investments. non-current assets. Stock of finished goods, stock of finished goods, inventories, inventories, current assets, inventories, current assets. Goods in transit also, goods in transit, comma, goods in transit. Comma, raw material, raw material, comma, raw material. Everyone turn on your video. Over now, 41. Aparna completed.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Acceptance. Trade. Acceptances. Trade payable. Current liabilities. Current liabilities. Debtors. Debtors. Trade receivables. Trade receivables. And current assets. Preliminary expenses. Preliminary expenses. From a discount on issue of discount or loss on issue of shares or debentures. Reserve and surplus. Reserves and surplus as a negative item. As a negative item. Shareholders fund. Then provision for depreciation. Provision for depreciation. or accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation. Provision for depreciation or accumulated depreciations. So like which one? Provision for doubtful current assets by way of deduction. No need of any major head and subhead. So you write deducted from tangible assets, deducted from tangible assets, deducted from tangible assets shown as notes to accounts. Notes to accounts, only in notes to account we can see. Notes to accounts on the face of the balance sheet. On the face of the balance sheet. Okay. Deducted from tangible assets shown as a notes to account on the face of the balance sheet. Next one, proposed dividend. Proposed dividend, last little tough items you look at. Proposed dividend, contingent liability, same like here, contingent liability, contingent liability to be disclosed in notes to accounts, to be disclosed in notes to accounts, notes to accounts, to be disclosed in notes to accounts on the face of the balance sheet, on the face of the balance sheet. Provision for depreciation, accumulated depreciation, then that also which one? Current assets also you can write that way, that way. That also correct. Over, Aparna? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, 46. Negative balance, negative balance as per statement of profit and loss. Negative balance means you write a debit balance. If it is a loss, it is a loss, loss, that meaning loss. So, subhead reserves and surplus, reserves and surplus as a negative item, as a negative item. Then major header, shareholders fund, shareholders fund, shareholders fund, shareholders fund. Then one more item you have to add, advances from customer, other current liability, advances from customers. We took a loan from, short-term loan from customer. Okay, so that you have to write under other current liabilities, other current liabilities. Major header, current liabilities. Then one more new item, debenture treasury bill we own current investment, debenture redemption investment. We took a loan from the public for redemption repayment purpose. We created a investment that is under current assets, current investment. Okay. This or two you have to write current investments, current assets, current assets. So investment in mutual fund for less than 1 year. Less than 1 year means current investment only. Okay. Suppose if any investment in mutual fund, investment in mutual funds, any investment, okay, any investment for less than 12 months or current 12 months. That is under current investments. Then public deposits, public deposits. That is, long-term borrowings, long-term borrowings, non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. Then one more, security deposit, security deposit for telephone, security deposit for telephone. So we know that which had security deposit, security deposit. So long-term loans and advances, non-current assets, long-term loans and advances, long-term loans and advances, be given. So non-current assets, non-current assets, long-term loans and advances, non-current assets. So these are the main thing. Then you know everything. Suppose equipment, office equipment, that you know, that is office equipment were fixed assets, tangible. Office equipment, the plant and machinery, that you know. That's why I'm not writing full. Fixed assets, tangible. Fixed assets, tangible. Non-current assets, non-current assets. Okay, then you know that everything, brand, recipe, formula, publishing titles, brand, okay, brand, formula, brand, receipts, formula, publish. Okay. So last that publishing titles, brand recipe. So that is fixed assets, uh, intangible, then non-current assets. Next, one more item. Statement of profit and loss. Already we wrote negative balance as per statement of profit and loss. If it is profit, only once, reserve and surplus, then shareholders fund. It is credit balance. Okay, means profit. So over. So any doubts? Abarna, any doubts?
No, sir.
So this chapter is over. So next day we will take test. Okay. So seventh. Study this major head and subheader and the MCQ questions. Okay. So you have to go through the theory. So point you have to study nature of finance statement, the important points. Okay, meaning of finance statement, then MCQ, then plus major head and subhead. So if any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.